Okay. Human beings are actually very intelligent creatures. We invented airplanes. We landed on the moon. We created artificial intelligence. And then we bought a 1.5 lakh rupee phone because the monthly EMI was only 4,999 rupees. Only. Yeah, because apparently, if pain is divided into 24 months, it magically stops being pain. Today we are talking about the psychology behind EMI traps, or as banks call it, financial opportunities. You know what's funny? If a store tells you this laptop costs 1,20,000 rupees, your brain immediately goes, absolutely not. But then they say, sir, only 3,999 rupees per month. And suddenly your brain becomes, financially manageable. The product didn't become cheaper. You became emotionally manipulated. This is called payment reframing. Your brain stops focusing on total cost and starts focusing on survivable pain. It's the financial equivalent of this surgery is expensive versus sir, small cut only. EMIs create a fake sense of affordability. That's the trap. You stop asking, can I afford this? And start asking, can I survive the monthly payment? And those are very different questions. Because technically, I can survive eating instant noodles for 3 months. That does not mean I should buy a gaming chair with RGB lights that looks like a transformer. But EMI culture tells you, bro, why wait? You deserve it. Live your dream today. Future you will handle it. Future you, meanwhile, is eating biscuits for dinner. You've noticed this, right? Companies never say the full amount anymore. They'll say things like, only 99 rupees a day. Only. That sounds harmless. That sounds like, aw, cute little number. But if someone walked up to you and said, give me 36,000 rupees right now, you'd protect your wallet like your life depends on it. This is psychology. Tiny numbers feel emotionally safe. Your brain treats daily payments like subscriptions, and subscriptions are dangerous because they become invisible. You stop feeling the spending, which is exactly what companies want. Buy now, pay later is one of the greatest marketing inventions ever created because it removes the most important part of spending money, the pain. Normally, when you buy something, you lose money immediately. Your brain feels pain. That pain protects you from stupidity. But buy now, pay later says, no, no, no. Enjoy first. Regret later. And your brain loves that. Because human beings are terrible at caring about future consequences. We treat future us like a completely different person. That idiot will handle it. Future you has become the unpaid intern of your life. Here's where it gets scary. When too much of your income goes into EMIs, your brain changes. You stop thinking long-term. You stop taking risks. You stop saving. Every month becomes survival mode. And survival mode kills creativity. It kills freedom. It kills peace. Because now your salary is already pre-booked. Before you even touch your money, it already belongs to the bank, the credit card, the bike loan, the phone EMI, the smartwatch EMI, the refrigerator EMI. At this point, your house is basically rented by finance companies. You know who really benefits from EMI culture? Social media. Because now everyone wants to look rich immediately. Not become rich, look rich. There's a difference. We are living in a time where people buy things mainly to upload them. That's insane. Someone will buy a 90,000 rupee phone to take pictures proving they're financially successful, while paying for the phone using borrowed money. That's like renting confidence. And social media keeps feeding this. You see influencers saying, you need this, best investment, life-changing. Brother, it's a Bluetooth speaker. Relax.
You wanna know the most dangerous word in finance? Deserve. You deserve luxury.
You deserve upgrades. You deserve premium. And emotionally, that sounds nice, but companies weaponize emotions. They want spending to feel like self respect. So now, if you don't buy something, you feel like you're failing in life. That's dangerous. Because now purchases become emotional decisions, not logical ones. And emotional spending is basically speed running bankruptcy. Here's the funny part: most genuinely rich people hate unnecessary EMEs because they understand one thing: freedom is expensive. And every EME removes freedom. It locks future income, it reduces choices, it increases stress. But marketing makes debt look glamorous. They sell loans like their personality upgrades. 0% interest, sir. Instant approval, sir. No cost EME, sir. First of all, nothing called no cost has ever existed in human history. If companies are smiling while offering it, you are the product. So, am I saying all EMEs are evil? No. Some EMEs make sense. Education, a house, business investments, things that genuinely improve your future. But financing random lifestyle upgrades just to impress people who forget your existence in 3 seconds? That's crazy. The trap isn't the EME itself, it's the psychology, the illusion of affordability, the emotional manipulation, the fake feeling of wealth, and the idea that small monthly payments are harmless because small leaks sink ships and small EMEs quietly sink lives. Anyway, I'm gonna go financially recover from the toothpaste subscription I accidentally signed up for. See you in the next video.